It's all over the tree too.
This dude, he's deader than dead, bro.
I just don't see him. Good dog.
I see him. Look straight in between that fork.
I see him right there.
Yep. Hell yeah, buddy.
Let's go get put our hands on him. Oh my goodness. Look how he's crashed. Oh my god. Exit came back a lot lower than I thought.
Don't.
Dude, look at the mass on this deer. Oh my gosh. How did he do this? Oh my gosh. I think that's bigger than I thought it was.
Absolutely.
You got a little kicker coming off the back too. But oh,
What a stud.
it's a pretty good one, I'd say. Look at his neck. That's a pretty good one, Rob.